Ever wondered what those twinkling lights in the night sky are? They are stars, colossal balls of gas glowing in space. Stars are not just tiny specks of light that make our night sky beautiful, they have a defining role in the universe. You see, stars are fundamentally vast spheres of hot gas, primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. The core of a star is a fiery furnace where nuclear fusion occurs, converting hydrogen to helium. This process releases an immense amount of light and heat, making the star glow. It's this light that we see when we look up at the night sky. And did you know our very own sun is a star too? Just like other stars, it provides light and heat to the planets orbiting around it, making life possible on Earth. So, stars are not just shiny objects in the sky. They are powerful and essential elements of our universe. Did you know there are different types of stars in the universe? Let's dive deeper. Our cosmic neighborhood is teeming with a variety of star types, each remarkable in its own right. First up, we have red dwarfs. These are the small, cool kids on the block. They shine with a red hue, hence the name. Despite their smaller size compared to other star types, they are the most common in the universe. Their longevity is impressive too, as they can keep their lights on for billions of years. Next, we find white dwarfs. These are the remnants of stars that have finished burning their nuclear fuel. What's left is a dense, hot core that starts off white before cooling and fading over billions of years. These stellar remnants are fascinating because they represent the future of our very own sun. And then, we have the supergiants. These stars are the big, bright show-offs of the universe. They're significantly larger and more luminous than our sun. They burn their fuel rapidly and live fast, often ending their lives in spectacular supernova explosions. Interestingly, the type of a star is determined by its mass at birth, which in turn dictates its lifespan and ultimate fate. The more massive the star, the shorter its life, but the more dramatic its death. So a star's life story is written in the cosmos from the moment it's born. Each star, regardless of its type, plays a unique role in the grand cosmic theater. They light up the universe, create elements, and influence the formation of planets and life. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember, you're looking at a diverse family of stars, each with its own tale to tell. Stars are born and stars die. But how does this happen? The birth of a star begins in the cold, vast reaches of space where giant clouds of gas and dust known as nebulae collapse under their own gravity. This collapse triggers a process of contraction and heating, which eventually leads to the birth of a new star. It's like nature's own spectacular fireworks display, only on a cosmic scale. These newborn stars then begin their primary life stage, known as the main sequence. During this phase, stars generate energy by fusing hydrogen atoms in their core. This process, known as nuclear fusion, releases a tremendous amount of energy, causing the star to shine brightly. This is the stage our own sun is in, a middle-aged star about 4.5 billion years old. But stars are not eternal. They have lifespans, just like us. The death of a star is dictated by its mass. Larger stars, those many times the size of our sun, meet a dramatic end. They explode in a brilliant burst of light and energy known as a supernova. This explosion is so powerful that it can outshine an entire galaxy for a brief period. On the other hand, smaller stars like our sun face a more serene fate. Once they exhaust their nuclear fuel, they swell into a red giant, then shed their outer layers, creating a beautiful cosmic spectacle known as a planetary nebula. What remains is a dense hot core called a white dwarf, which will eventually cool and fade away over billions of years. Each star's life journey, from birth to death, contributes to the ever-changing tapestry of the universe. They create elements, distribute them across space, and set the stage for the formation of new stars, planets, and possibly life. The life cycle of stars is a beautiful cosmic dance of creation and destruction. Through this dance, stars remind us of the cyclical nature of existence, where endings often pave the way for new beginnings. With the naked eye, we can only see a fraction of the stars in the universe. So how do we discover and study them? Well, the key tool in our celestial exploration toolbox is the telescope. These incredible devices act like supercharged eyes, allowing us to gaze deep into the cosmos and observe stars, galaxies, and other celestial bodies that are light years away from us. Astronomers use telescopes to study the color, size, and position of stars. The color of a star can tell us about its temperature. Cooler stars emit a red light, while hotter stars shine in blue. The size and position of a star can provide clues about its life stage and relative distance from Earth. By piecing together this information, astronomers can unravel the mysteries of the cosmos, making discoveries that expand our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Observing the stars is like piecing together a cosmic puzzle, revealing the mysteries of our universe. So we've taken a whirlwind tour of the magical world of stars. We've learned that stars are enormous balls of gas that emit light and heat, shining brilliantly for billions of years. We've discovered that there's a wide variety of stars out there, from small, cold red dwarfs to the massive and bright supergiants, and even the dense white dwarfs that form when a star dies. We've delved into the birth and death of stars, understanding that they are born from massive clouds of gas and dust and die in different ways, from slowly fading out to exploding in spectacular supernovas. And lastly, we've explored how we observe and discover stars, using tools like telescopes and studying their color, size, and position. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. Remember, the universe is always open for new discoveries and adventures. Until our next voyage, keep looking up.